Okay, so this is a 1957 Evinrude 5.5 Fisherman that I recently acquired from a friend of mine. And I also got a 1957 crus-a-day tank that I completely restored. The tank has new rubber, new diaphragm, new gaskets, new screws, and new O-rings, and new two-line hose. So the 5.5 Fisherman runs really good. So we're going to try to start it. It hasn't been started in a couple of days. So I'm going to give it one pull with the choke, and then probably another pull without the choke. I'd say it runs pretty well. See the water pump works fine. We've got hot water coming out of here and a lot of it. Go ahead, let's put it in reverse. Put it back in forward. There you have it, 1957 5.5 Fisherman, ready to be used today or maybe restored. For me, I would restore it, put it on roughly the 1950s or 60s boat, cool kid in the neighborhood.